Hello everyone, I am Subhashini and I am pursuing my BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. Now I am here to explain some of the interview questions of the Node.js. And coming to the first question. First question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? And the answer for this question is, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows us to run the JavaScript code on the server side, whereas Apache is the web server software that processes PHP, HTTP requests and serve web pages to the users. PHP is the server side scripting languages designed for web development but also used as a general purpose programming languages. And the second question is, what is the callback function in the Node.js and why they are commonly used in asynchronous program? Callback function means a function that is passed as the argument to the another function. It callback function allows us to be executed by out of the order, enabling asynchronous behavior. Asynchronous programming means in Node.js, IO bound can take time to complete. Instead of waiting for the other operations to be performed, we use callback functions to complete our task very fast. And coming to the third question is, what is the purpose of package.json file in the Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? Package.json file serves as the manifest for the Node.js project, and it provides the metadata about the project including the project name, description, scripts, author, etc. There are some key properties like name. It tells about the name of the project, and description it tells about the detailed information of our project, and scripts, author, it gives us the who is the author of this project, etc. Coming to the fourth question is, explain the difference between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Request is commonly used in the JS modules, which is default module system in Node.js. It it is the synchronous and can be called anywhere in the code. Import is used in the EJS module, which is newer standardization of the JavaScript modules. It is asynchronous and must be used at the top of the file. The main differences between these two is timing, syntax, and standardization. Coming to the fifth question, what is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware is a function that executes during the request response cycle in the Express.js application. It can perform tasks such as logging, authentication, and passing request bodies and handling errors. Middleware function have access to request object and response object and the next middleware function in the application request response cycle. And coming to the sixth question is, what is RESTful API and how you can create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API, REST means representational state transfer, is an architectural style for designing networked applications. It uses standard HTTP methods and it's stateless, meaning each request from a client contains all the information needed to process the request. And the HTTP methods are get, post, delete. Get is used to retrieve the data from the server, and post is used to send the data to the server, and put is used to update the existing resource on the server. Delete is used to remove the resource from the. And coming to the seventh question, what is the purpose of Node Package Manager (npm) and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? And answer for this question is, npm is a package manager for Node.js. It allows developers to install, share, and manage packages needed for their projects. Managing dependencies. To add dependency, we use npm install package name to, and this adds the package dependency, and it is used to develop and development dependencies. This removes the, to remove a dependency, it removes the package from the package.json. To install all the dependencies, we use package.json. In package.json, we used to install like npm install and whatever we want to install the package name. And coming to the eighth question, why is important to hash password in the web application? Hashing password is crucially for security. Whenever we use direct password, we can able to see in the database. Whenever we use the hash, that means it provides a security for our password, which others cannot see directly our password. When passwords are hashed, then they are transferred into the fixed length string and cannot be easily reversed. That means that even if an attacker gains access to the database, they won't able to read the our actual passwords. Reasons for hashing is protection against data breaches. Even if the database is compromised, hashed passwords are not easily usable. Defense against brute force attacks and salting. As salting means adding a unique value, that is salt to the each password before hashing enables that identical passwords have different hash values, protecting against rainbow table attacks. Thank you.